In a quaint little town, there lived a tiny bug named Buzzy. A bed bug who had grown quite strong, quite tough, and quite pesky. He'd make his home inside the mattress, feeding on the nightly rest. His presence often caused quite a fuss, causing his victims much distress. One day, a wise ant named Antony arrived with a mission to restore peace and to help the town survive. He heard Buzzy's tales of strength, his pesticide resistance, and sought a solution to end Buzzy's persistent agitation. Antony consulted the elders, the wise, the old, and the young. He gathered their wisdom, their thoughts, their remedies, all sung. He tried every trick in the book, but Buzzy just wouldn't yield. His pesticide resistance growing stronger with every field. One day, in a quiet corner, Antony found a peculiar sage who listened to Antony's tale and offered a wise sage. Buzzy's strength lies in his adaptability, his resilience to change. But what if we could outsmart him, using a different strategy? Inspired by the sage's words, Antony set a new plan in motion. Against Buzzy's pesticide resistance, he would bring a new solution. He called upon the townsfolk to work together, side by side, to clean and protect their homes, to keep Buzzy at bay with pride. The townsfolk followed Antony's lead, working tirelessly each day, cleaning, disinfecting, and preventing Buzzy's way. Their efforts were fruitful. Buzzy's numbers began to fall. The town was finally at peace, free from Buzzy's relentless call. Antony and Buzzy met one day, under the town's friendly sun. Buzzy, humbled, admitted defeat, acknowledging Antony's undone. I was too reliant on my strength, on my pesticide resistance, ignoring the power of unity, the strength of persistence. From that day on, Buzzy changed, no longer a pest but a friend, helping Antony and the townsfolk, working together, the end. The moral of this tale, as you've heard, is clear and profound. Unity beats strength, persistence beats resistance, let it be sound.